resources. That is, it's a matter to be in fact answered by the Election Commission and all the commissioners who are a part of that very panel, not by the very cabinet, or rather the MPs from the centre at this given point. So yes, that is one major issue that has been a bone of contention that we've seen, which in fact was on expected terms, as we see at this point that yes, there have been protests from the opposition side with regards to this very issue as we speak. Lok Sabha currently has been adjourned till 2 p.m. Let's quickly take a look at some of the reactions that's been coming in.
The House, the papers related to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, as mentioned at serial number 6 in today's list of business.
आइटम नंबर 7, माननीय मंत्री श्री राजेश रंजन जी। अच्छा ये मेरे कान के देना।
क्या 5 प्रमाणित कागजात आपकी अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
आइटम नंबर 6, माननीय श्री कीर्तिवर्धन सिंह जी।
Honorable Chairperson, ma'am, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table.
We have Aishwarya Paliwal joining us back on the broadcast. Aishwarya, swiftly shifting focus from the upper house to the lower house now, which has been adjourned till 2 p.m. We see the ruckus already having started on expected lines again, and this time the bone of contention seems to be over the SIR matter. We can constantly hear the sloganeering coming in from the members of the parliament in the background as they're raising issues of SIR, also vote chori that can be briefly heard in the background. How are we looking at these developments, and bring us what more you're learning?
Well, let me tell you one thing, Shreya, which is very, very clear, is that SIR, that will be the dominating topic as far as the opposition is concerned. The government time and again has said that this is something which cannot be discussed, because what you are wanting, you would want someone to respond, and who will you call upon to respond when you speak about the SIR? The TMC and the Samajwadi Party, they are at the forefront of this. They have been asking questions. The reason, Shreya, very, very simple. The West Bengal elections will take place in the next 4 months. The very crucial UP elections will take place in 2027. So both these parties, along with the Congress party, they have been demanding that we want discussion on SIR. And let me tell you, what you are seeing today on day 1 of the winter session is just a trailer. This is exactly what the movie will be like over the course of the next 19 days.
Right, Aishwarya. So these are some of the updates, viewers, that we are bringing to you. And Aishwarya, as we speak of the very attacks and counter-attacks that's been coming in, let me quickly just take our viewers through some of these portions from the address of the Prime Minister from right outside the parliamentary premises, when he in fact gave that customary speech that he always does before the session begins, before the session commences. Let's listen into the fiery attacks that had come in from the Prime Minister right at the opposition at the behest of the very session.
ये सत्र संसद देश के लिए क्या सोच रही है, संसद देश के लिए क्या करना चाहती है, संसद देश के लिए क्या करने वाली है, इन मुद्दों पर केंद्रित होनी चाहिए। विपक्ष भी अपना दायित्व निभाएं, चर्चा में ऐसे मुद्दे उठाएं, मजबूत मुद्दे उठाएं, पराजय के निराशा में से बाहर निकल करके आए। और दुर्भाग्य है कि एक आध दो दल तो ऐसे हैं कि वो पराजय भी नहीं पचा पाते। और मैं सोच रहा था बिहार के नतीजे इतना समय हो गया है तो अब थोड़ा संभल गए होंगे, लेकिन कल जो मैं बयानबाजी सुन रहा हूं उनकी, तो उसे लगता है कि पराजय ने उनको परेशान करके रखा है। लेकिन मेरा सभी दलों से आग्रह है कि शीतकालीन सत्र में पराजय की बौखलाहट का वो मैदान नहीं बनना चाहिए, और ये शीतकालीन सत्र विजय के अहंकार में भी परिवर्तित नहीं होना चाहिए। बहुत ही संतुलित तरीके से जिम्मेवारी के साथ जनप्रतिनिधि के रूप में देश की जनता का हमसे जो हमें दायित्व दिया है और हमसे जो अपेक्षाएं हैं उसको संभालते हुए हम आगे के लिए सोचें, जो है उसको कैसे अच्छा कर सके। अगर बुरा होता है तो उसमें सटीक टिप्पणी कैसे कर सके ताकि देश के नागरिकों का भी ज्ञानवर्धन हो। ये मेहनत कोई भी दल हो, हमें किसी को भी हमारी ये नई पीढ़ी के आ रहे नौजवान सांसद, पहली बार आए हुए सांसद, उनको अवसर देना चाहिए। उनके अनुभवों का हमें सदन को लाभ मिलना चाहिए। इस नई पीढ़ी के अनुभव सदन के माध्यम से राष्ट्र को भी लाभान्वित करेंगे और इसलिए मेरा आग्रह रहेगा कि हम इन चीजों को गंभीरता से लें। ड्रामा करने के लिए जगह बहुत होती है, जिसको करना है करते रहें। यहां ड्रामा नहीं, डिलीवरी होनी चाहिए। नारे के लिए भी जितने नारे बुलवाने हैं वो पूरा देश खाली पड़ा है। जहां पराजित होकर के आए वहां बोल चुके हो, जहां अभी पराजय के लिए जाने वाले हो वहां भी बोल दीजिए, लेकिन यहां तो नारे नहीं, नीति पर बल देना चाहिए और वो आपकी नीयत होनी चाहिए। गत दिनों बिहार में जो चुनाव हुए उसमें भी मतदान के जो विक्रम हुआ है वो लोकतंत्र की सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। माताओं बहनों की जो भागीदारी बढ़ रही है ये अपने आप में एक नई आशा, नया विश्वास पैदा करती है। एक तरफ लोकतंत्र की मजबूती और इस लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्थाओं के भीतर अर्थतंत्र की मजबूती, इसको भी दुनिया बहुत बारीकी से देख रही है। भारत ने सिद्ध कर दिया है डेमोक्रेसी कैन डिलीवर। जिस गति से आज भारत की आर्थिक स्थिति नई ऊंचाइयों को प्राप्त कर रही है, विकसित भारत के लक्ष्य की ओर जाने में ये हमें नया विश्वास तो जगाती है, नई ताकत भी देती है।
I suggest that urgent issues like what you said, pollution, other issues, SIR, it is a huge issue for democracy. What is going on? Whether it's the election situation or the SIR, these are huge issues. Let's discuss them. What is Parliament for? Let's discuss them. Let them have a discussion. It's not drama. Speaking about issues, raising issues is not drama. Drama is not allowing discussion. Drama is not having a democratic discussion about issues that matter to the public. We've spoken about pollution. Why are we not raising it? Why are we not allowed to? Today I've asked for 0 hour on it. Why are we not allowed to discuss these things?
So on one side, we see the Prime Minister coming and saying that a democracy expects delivery and not drama, while on the other side, we see Priyanka Gandhi, the MP from Congress, coming out to say that what the opposition is raising is not dramatic, but rather crucial issues of the public itself, and not being allowed to express that in the parliament is indeed drama in this very case. So this is both sides that we've heard out right now, and we have Aishwarya continuing to be with us on the broadcast. Aishwarya, you know, every year we see that, every session rather, we see that the Prime Minister comes out to make this appeal to the opposition that let's not get into disruptive atmospheres within the parliament, but let's have healthy discussions on crucial issues. But this time, there was a change in the tone, one would say, as to how he's addressed the very matter. It's a very direct and a firm message that's come in from the Prime Minister while speaking, or rather addressing the opposition members, even at some points where he's taken digs with regards to the Bihar elections as well.
Well, Shreya, let me tell you a change of stance also that we have seen, especially from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, mostly on day one, used to extend an olive branch of sorts and used to ask the opposition that, if possible, just make sure that why you are here, people have elected you, people actually want you to raise certain issues and to take part in discussions, and that's exactly what we want. In the all-party meeting also, this is what the government said. An olive branch was being extended to the opposition parties. They laid down all the 14 bills that they want to bring. And they said that we want thorough discussion to take place. But the opposition, and we just heard Priyanka Gandhi when she's the one who's saying that issues like pollution is something that the government should be looking at, then you can understand what the opposition at the moment is looking at. So we have parties like the Samajwadi Party, the TMC, all of them harping upon the SIR, while the Congress Party says that there are other issues that should also be looked at. The government on the other side, very, very clear. We have laid down those 14 bills. If you want any kind of discussion, make sure that you take part in the discussion. So this is a tussle and a trailer, let me tell you, that we are seeing on day one. And this is exactly how it will be from what I am understanding. Sriya, let me tell you, there was no protest by the opposition today. Today is day one, but expect protest also today, to the opposition also to be protesting right outside the Makar Gate, exactly how we saw in the last time. So this seems like it will be a repeat of that, especially from the opposition side.